Yeah, walk around the world in 30 days. Yeah, that'd be pretty fun, but it takes money to do that. Yeah, I have a job. No, I don't. I know, but I couldn't do that.
I know, I just want you to lay down so you don't fall into the floor again.
Yeah, I'm in the bathroom talking to you. Oh, hold on, I got another call. Huh? Okay. Hello? Are you still there?
Do what you want. You guys have...
You alright?
Oh.
The phone burn you?
Yes. Right here on my face.
I see. It's terrible.
Come in here.